Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to find your email address on LinkedIn. First of all, you can open the LinkedIn application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can see the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and here you can scroll down. You can see the settings option at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on settings, and after this you can see this type of page. You can now tap on visibility, and after this you can just simply see the option who can see or download your email address. Tap on it, and after this you can see your email address. Here you can just simply select the option that is only visible to me, first degree connections, and you can set any of this that you want. And here you can allow your connections to download your email that is seeing you to my email, and in their data export you can just simply enable this option, allow connections to export emails. After enabling this, the other connection is downloading your email, and it is a way you can see your email on LinkedIn. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.